In a landmark Supreme Court ruling that will end free run for members of parliament and MLAs inside the legislature, the top court on Monday ruled that there will be no legal immunity for any lawmakers if they have taken a bribe. A seven-judge bench of the Supreme Court headed by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud unanimously ruled that taking a bribe is an independent crime and a lawmaker can be prosecuted if he or she has voted after taking money.
Corruption and bribery of members of the legislature erode the foundation of Indian parliamentary democracy. It is destructive of the aspirational and deliberative ideals of the Constitution and creates a polity which deprives citizens of a responsible, responsive and representative democracy.
In a strongly worded verdict, the top court said lawmakers in parliament and state legislatures are not immune from prosecution in bribery cases. It added that bribery is not protected by parliamentary privileges. Corruption and bribery by legislatures destroy the functioning of Indian parliamentary democracy. The court ruled, adding that an MLA taking a bribe to vote in a Rajya Sabha elections is also liable under the Prevention of Corruption Act. The verdict set aside a 1998 judgment in which a 5-member constitution bench had upheld the immunity for lawmakers in cases where MPs or MLAs take bribes for a speech or a vote in the House. Among the first to welcome the judgment was the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who called it a great judgment that will help in cleaning politics, a point endorsed even by the opposition.
This is a historic judgment, and I'm glad that the Supreme Court has removed the earlier anomaly in the law. It is inconceivable, consistent with a vibrant democracy, that the representatives of the people in the highest forum of democracy can absolve themselves of the charge of corruption and bribery.
ये निर्णय बरबस हमें इस बात की याद दिला देता है कि न्यायालय के द्वारा सिद्ध नोट के बदले वोट का एकमात्र उदाहरण, सबसे पुराना उदाहरण 1994 झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा रिश्वत कांड। झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा के 3 सांसदों ने रिश्वत ली थी और वो पैसे भी बरामद हो गए थे। वो लेकर तत्कालीन कांग्रेस सरकार को बचाया था।
With no more special privileges for lawmakers, they will have to be extremely careful and ensure greater probity in public life, and that the law applies equal to all. With camera person Karan Patra, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.